The ADX 120s have a lot of flexibility with their IFBs. It's important to remember that each ADX 120 has two IFB circuits to it. One IFB that's on the front and one IFB that's on the back. Each of these circuits has both an interrupt side and a non-interrupt side. So we're not sending wet IFBs out. We're taking ports out of the Atom station and patching them into the ADX system. To be specific, IFB 1 is the interrupt side on the front of box number 1. Program 1 is the non-interrupt side on the front of box number 1. IFB 2 is the interrupt going to the back IFB, the second IFB on ADX box number 1, and program 2 is the program source or non-interrupt source going to the back side IFB of box number 1. So each box has both an interrupt side and a non-interrupt side, and it has a second IFB that also has an interrupt side and a non-interrupt side on the back. That's very critical. This is not a 2-wire system, it's a 4-wire system. You are taking these ports from the Atom as an interrupt and a non-interrupt, and you're porting them to the frontmost IFB or the rear IFB of an ADX 120.